AutoCoding is much more than a coding management solution. It is a full packaging line control solution. The structure of AutoCoding allows for very flexible but structured classification of what behavior is required of a device, the data it consumes, where it comes from, and how any variable data is derived, calculated, and treated. The system considers every aspect of how a device should operate, not only when everything works as it should, but also the exception handling required for when problems occur in real world. AutoCoding is extremely flexible. It can be an extension of an existing MES, or on its own, it can be a packaging line automation system. In either setup, AutoCoding is in control of the line and handles the deployment of the packaging coding and inspection recipe to the whole line. This means that AutoCoding can set up all other devices such as checkwares, metal detectors and X-ray, as well as interface to other principal line assets and equipment. The status of the line, its devices, counts and other operator engagement pieces are all visualized on the line-side PC HMI. Lastly, the whole system can be configured to stop the line in the event of a critical error or the breach of a quality threshold. These could be device faults, failed inspections, sequential no reads, failed or incomplete QC checks, etc. AutoCoding is adept at inline barcode scanning and integrates all types of SICK 1D and 2D code readers to its core product. The application contains comprehensive setup menus and parameter settings to optimize the scanner's performance, as well as specify the control logic for when a certain threshold is breached, for example, a number of consecutive no reads or single wrong read.